Yeah, I would say so. I would say so, especially um, based on the chances that we created. Had numerous of them. That there were a lot of species. There were a lot of spaces behind the Alatras, and then we tried to throw the balls behind the Alatras, which was very good. Out of that, we got the goal. So we continued, had the chances, but we convert. So to me, I mean, it was a good game. As you said, the intensity was very high, right from the blast of the whistle. We should both teams showed a lot of intensity in terms of trying to pin the opponent to their half with the ball. So it was a good game.
Yeah, guys. Any question, guys? Coach, the more of us will say, the team Chelsea, almost starting season, the young show that one of my team, people watch on the more of us for that. But as you say, second half, the guys need enough to do it. That was the plan.
No, that was not the plan. We 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 tried to, because the energy levels of the game was very high. I think we tried to make sure that we win the second ball. So we lured them. Or even said Omono, we realized that they were just taking the ball, trying to use the space behind us, which was very constructive on their part. Constructively, they wanted to use the spaces behind us. So what we also wanted to do was to make sure that we sit in the half of the half so that we can pick the first balls and pick the second balls, and then also punish them by using the spaces behind the Alcatraz. So basically, it was a tactical approach that we were, and if you saw it, it was working. Especially even going to the end of the game, it was working very well for us, and we had some few chances out.
But if I'm a Kotoko fan, should I be worried that the wins are not coming? If I should not, what would you say to them should be their expectation going forward?
We played only 3 games. So 3 games, we've won one, we've drawn two. So I think it's work in progress. The boys are doing well. We should still support the team, and I'm sure going forward, we will be the one. When we get there, we know what to